Now that we know why transport is so important, let us watch a video to understand how it has changed over time and what means of transport we use today. This video will show you the evolution of modern means of transport and will discuss railways and roadways. सो वॉच द वीडियो केयरफुली. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. इट्स टू मच ईजी. सो वॉच इट केयरफुली.
Means of transport. Before the invention of modern transport, people used to take days to travel from one city to another. Merchants on the Silk Route traveled for weeks and months to take their goods.
अब देखो एंशियंट टाइम में क्या होता था. लोग जो थे वो मतलब अपना चल के जाते थे अगर उन्होंने कहीं जाना होता था, या फिर वो एनिमल्स का यूज़ करते थे. अब ऑब्वियस सी बात है, अगर वो खुद जाएंगे चल के या फिर एनिमल्स का यूज़ करेंगे तो जो भी काम वो करने जा रहे हैं वो बहुत डिले होगा. तो उसके एक व्हील के इंट्रोड्यूस होने के बाद जो था कार्ट्स वगैरह बन गए, तो हमारा जो वर्क था वही वर्क जो हम खुद जाके करते थे या एनिमल्स की यूजेज से करते थे वो लेट होता था. अब वो काम जल्दी होने लग गया. ये इम्पॉर्टेंस में भी आ सकता है पॉइंट कि इसने हमारा काम जो है वो ईजी भी कर दिया और फास्टर भी कर दिया.
Goods from one country to another. But today, the story is different. Transport has developed in such a way that the world seems much smaller. No place is too far and no journey is too long. But how and when did these developments take place? Let's go back in time and see how transport has changed over the years. We know that transport refers to the system or means by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. Over time, transport has changed and evolved in many ways. Earlier, humans used to travel long distances by walking or with the help of horses and mules or using boats to cross water bodies. The invention of the wheel enabled us to create carts, carriages, and trains. Over time, we have further developed these inventions to help us cover long distances even faster. Today, transport has evolved in unimaginable ways. People have invented self-driving cars that use artificial intelligence and don't need a driver to be at the wheel at all. And now, we are working on building hyperloops. These are a mode of transport which have large pods that race through tubes that have almost no air in them. These can be used to transport people at a speed of up to 1,200 kilometers per hour. At this speed, you would be able to go from the northernmost point of the Indian landmass to its southernmost point in about 2.5 hours. That is even faster than a passenger plane. These are some amazing inventions that will be part of our lives soon. But today, there are 4 means of transport that we commonly use. They are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Today we will learn a little bit more about the first two, that is, roadways and railways. Roadways are the oldest mode of transport. They are highly useful for covering short distances. While there are different vehicles that we use to travel by road, roads themselves can be of many different types. They can be metalled or pakka roads paved with tar or concrete, or unmetalled or kacha roads made of mud and dirt. Roads can be built underground.
आपको पता होना चाहिए डिफरेंस बिटवीन मेटल्ड एंड अनमेटल्ड रोड्स. ओके, यू कैन राइट इट इन योर रफ नोटबुक्स.
Or even underwater as subways or tunnels. And they can be built at a height as flyovers and bridges. Technology has enabled us to build roads of all sorts. Take for example the Miller Viaduct in France, which is the tallest bridge in the world. Or the 7-mile bridge in the USA, which is a highway through the sea. Our very own Leh-Manali highway has been built through the steep Himalayan mountains. Over the years, India has developed a huge road network across its landmass. As of 2017, we have 58,97,671 kilometers of roads across India, making it the third largest road network in the world, second only to the USA and China. Another important means of transport is railways or trains. Trains move on tracks. They are best suited for transporting people and heavy goods over long distances cheaply. Trains have evolved from engines that ran on steam, which was generated by heating water using coal, to trains that run on diesel and electricity. Today, there are trains that use magnets and run at very high speeds. These are called maglev trains. They float just above the tracks due to magnets and can travel at 600 kilometers per hour. Trains are the most common means of transport in India. The Indian railway system is also the third largest in the world, again, second only to the USA and
Write this in
China.
your notebooks.
Its massive network includes local trains, metros, and even intercity trains. About 8 billion trips or 800 crore trips are undertaken every year using the Indian Railways. So today, we saw how transport has evolved over the years, from the humble wheel to
सो आज हमने किसके बारे में पढ़ा है? हमने टू मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट रोडवेज और रेलवेज के बारे में पढ़ा है. बाकी फर्दर हम कल पढ़ेंगे. आई होप आप सबको ये समझ आ गया होगा. विद दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे.